This video is brought to you by my supporters on Patreon. Hi guys, I'm here with a video showing you how I cut the wig that I used for my Yumi from Code Lyoko cosplay. So to start off, I took this old black wig that I had. It's really old, it was kind of ratty at the end, and I wanted to give it a new life, I guess you could say. So I cut off a majority of the length, although it's still longer than the length it ends up being and that I wanted it to be by like 2 inches or so. And I just cut off a majority of the length to make the styling part easier because I did want to style it before I cut it to the correct length. And mostly the only styling I did was straightening a wig that was originally wavy to be pretty much perfectly straight. But once that's all straightened, and I still go through and hit it with the straightener every now and then because there are some pieces that I just missed. But when it's mostly straightened, I go ahead and I start cutting off the hair to the length that I actually want it to be, which is a bit shorter, as you can see here, when compared to the other side that has yet to been cut. Anyways, I'm just cutting off a little at a time so that I give myself some room to make mistakes. And I also cut off at a bit of an angle, even though you can't really see. Like, I point the scissors upwards a little bit because that will help make it look a bit more natural and the cut less blunt, although I didn't do it as much as I normally do it because I did still want a more blunt look for this cut since her hair was a blunt bob. Before finishing off, I take a pair of scissors and I kind of glide them down the hair, starting about, I don't know, about like the middle of the wig, and then glide it down from that just to thin out the bottom ends to make them look, again, a little bit more natural, less blunt, but again, not as much as I usually do because I still wanted a more blunt look for this wig in general. You can see what I'm talking about in a clip or two here. Anyways, that's it for this video. It was really short, I know. I hope you guys were still able to find it somewhat helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye. Stick around for future videos and check out some of my old ones too, by the way.